Hello everyone. Today we are going to see in our session how to handle file operations in Python. Let me create a file here in PyCharm. On Python file I am going to create file handler. To open a file in Python, this is the command what we have to pass. With open statement, we have to mention two arguments. One is file name, the another one is mode. To read a file, we need to use an argument or in lowercase. This is the syntax what are we going to use. With open file name we will mention over here, and this is the mode of operator, okay, that we are going to use. This is for read purpose. This operator have the ability to read only the file. Next, write file. When we use this argument w, it will check whether file is exist or not. If file is not exist, then it will create a file and then it will write whatever content we have given. So that is the advantage of using w. Whenever we are going to use this with open statement with open file name, then after that followed by we will give w argument, then it will proceed further. Append is important. Okay, I'm telling you why. If already file is present in our directory or respective path, if you are going to mention w argument, it will completely overwrite the file. To overcome this, we always have to use append method. So it will add content whatever we are passing through, it will add at the bottom of the file. Let's see in our working session. First I'm creating variable for file path where file has to be get created. Double dot is to refer directory, then sessions python, then one slash, next file name is equal to file.txt. This is the file name. Next I am going to write a program with open statement. I am mentioning file name, okay, file path, file path plus file name. It is taking two arguments now, okay, these two variables, file name and file path. Then I'm mentioning here operator, what operator it has to call. Okay, first I'm writing a w operator as file, okay, f I'm mentioning here f dot write. This line is printed by the write operator, write operator, write operator using argument w. We need to use single quote when we are using a string inside string. Let's run this program. Before executing this, is there any file is created under sessions underscore python? There is no file is created by the program, and file path we have given session underscore python, and double dot we have mentioned to mention, okay, under which directory, and this is the file.txt file. Okay, here we are concatenating both because both of them are string, okay, which we have mentioned in the variable, and this is the operator we are calling. Okay, let's execute this program now. Write operator using argument w. Yes, it is printed and a success too. Okay, file is created. Let me open this file. This line is printed by the write operator, so it is fine now. Let me modify this for read purpose, or I'm committing this over here, both of them. Content is equal to f dot read. Next I'm printing content. It has to print only that content whatever is present in this line is printed by the write operator. Okay, this is for read purpose. Next, append. For this name, I am enabling this by append operator. Now it will add in the bottom like second line. Running this program now, it is executed. Let me open the file. Okay, sorry, I forgot I had one slash n before that. Okay, let me run this program now. Now it will be proper. So this line is printed by the append operator. Read, write, append, all three together by giving some operator name. Let me write a program for that. First, okay, try. First we have to check file is present or not. We have to import os.path. File exists is equal to os.path.exist. Here we have to mention file name plus file path and file name. File path plus file name. This will return boolean value true or false. Let me show you what it will print. Okay, let me run this program now. And file, okay, it's a try block. Okay, fine. Except as finally final block. Print error encountered. So I am running this program now. Here for the first it is showing true for this. Okay, after that it is printing name error. Print is not defined. Okay, I have mentioned here in uppercase, so in Python it should be a lowercase. So here true and final block both is called because there is no exception thrown here. Why I am checking file is exist or not? Okay, when it is exist, then we can go ahead and read the file. If file exist, then print, okay, then with open file name, file path plus file name, comma read operator. You have to mention what is the variable as r dot read content is equal to r dot read print content. Now this time it will throw error because I am going to delete this file.txt file. I have deleted, so in this case it will file exist value become false. Let me run this program now. As I said before, file exist is checked whether file is present or not. It is not present, so value is false, and final block it got executed. With open, I am going to give same file path plus file name operator w as w. Here w dot write this line is printed by the operator. Here I am mentioning else block. In this else, okay, we can raise exception. Okay, what type of exception it is? Here file exists. Okay, that is the error. Okay, raise file exist. That exception I am raising here. Here except file exist as exist. Here I am going to print this error ex. Here I can write a custom message as well. No such file present in the directory. Let me run this program now. So it has thrown type error also. We have to handle type error as well. Except type error as t print t. Let's run this program now. So we are getting error, what a crisp and clear instead of multiple in red color. Okay, we are getting what is the error here in this place. Boolean object is not callable. Then we need to modify it here in this place. File not found error. No such file present. As file not found. F and F. Print F and F. So let me run this program. This time it will not print a boolean object because I have modified and file not found error. I am raising exception in a try block. So it will print no such file present. Can you able to see the difference, right? Okay, fine. Let me modify it here. Not equal to false. Okay, not equal to true. This means it is false. Okay, when it false, it will go inside perform a operation. So I am removing this at present. So there is no file present. It will call for a write operator and it will create a file and it will print this line. Okay, let me run this program now. Yes, value what we got is false. Okay, same I'm passing over here, not equal to true means it false. Then final block is executed. Let's check in file.txt what is present. This line is printed by the operator. The same message whatever we have written over here. Next I am going to write else if. Okay, elif in Python term, elif operator. Okay, we'll mention operator is equal to w if operator value is equal to or. If it is a write operator, I'm going to mention this. I'm changing this as well. Okay, I need to swap it. Okay, here I will mention w operator, here I will mention a read operator. And this exception not required here, else Here I will incorrect operator I will mention. And I am passing this operator value, okay, to the function so that it will take a value from there. As of now we have not used function, so def. Here I will mention file handling, okay, file underscore handle. Here I will mention operator. So I need to call this file for the execution. So I am mentioning file handle, and operator name I am mentioning here hard coding. Otherwise I will call one string over here. Let me get input from the console. str1 r1 str input is equal to input, please enter operator. So I am going to execute this program now. Okay. We got a console here to enter the operator. First let me enter some number, okay, some h operator. Okay, so I mentioned h. Let's see what is the output. Okay, first it checked file status, it is present, but incorrect operator is thrown, then final block is executed. Let me rerun this program. I am typing w. Checked file status true and final block is executed, except block it is not called because there is no error present. And let's see, okay, this line is printed by the operator. We called write operator, so it is overwritten the file. So whatever line we have printed before, all of them are lost. So we always have to use append operator. Let me add append as well. This line is printed by the append operator. So let me run this program now. Let me call append operator. It is success. So this file should have one more line. This line is printed by the append operator. So to make it more clear, let me add one /n over here and here as well. It should start with new line. Running this program, first is w, and again running this program for append. It is done. Let's see the file output. This line is printed by the operator, this line is printed by the append operator. So it is clear, okay, it is doing exactly how we wanted. And next one is, in case if you are mentioning some incorrect operator, then we will get incorrect operator. This we have captured here in else block. This is how, guys, okay, we can handle our file operations. It is very simple and easy. Hope you like this content. If so, please don't forget to subscribe this channel.